Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a few of my favorite cleaning tips with you guys. These tips may make cleaning easier for you, may save you money, or may just keep your products natural. The way I'm going to do this today is to do a short and sweet clean with me, just showing you guys some of these tips in action. One tip I will go ahead and share with you now because it's not in the footage is to clean your ceiling fan blades with a pillowcase. I don't know about you guys, but before I discovered this hack, dust would go everywhere, on my bed or the floor or surrounding furniture. So this definitely helped me a ton. And you can pick up a pillowcase for probably less than $1 at Walmart or maybe even Dollar Tree for $1. You can use it, wash it, and then use it again just for this purpose when you're cleaning. Anyway, let's go ahead and hop into these tips. Alright y'all, my first tip today is to get a handheld shower head. I grabbed this one for Liam for Christmas to make cleaning his shower easier, and I actually already have one in my shower. I always had a hard time rinsing my shower after I cleaned it, and I realized it would be so much easier with a handheld. Another thing that I'm looking forward to getting for the shower is some sort of extender with a scrub brush on the end, just so I don't totally have to lean into the bath or shower to clean it. That brings me to tip number 2. This tip I actually got from a professional house cleaner. She advises all of her clients to do this before she starts work with them, and it's to get a collection of old cloths. Old ratty washcloths, towels, even old clothing that you're not going to be able to use anymore that may not even be suitable to donate. You can use those to clean. After you clean, you can wash them, reuse them. It really is so quick and easy, and it saves me so much money and waste from paper towels. Tip number 3 goes right along with those cloths, and it's to avoid using fabric softener or dryer sheets when washing and drying those cloths. The reason being is that those products tend to build up and cause almost like a barrier, making these less absorbent. It's something I noticed with my towels as well. I stopped using those products when washing and drying my towels and realized how much more absorbent they became. If you're wondering what you can use in the place of products like that when you're drying towels and things that you still want to smell fresh, I picked up some wool dryer balls at Walmart. It was $5 for a 2-pack, and I just sprinkle some of my favorite lavender oil on those balls, toss them in the wash, and it makes everything smell like a spa. It's fantastic, and you can use any oil you want. Lavender is just my favorite, especially when I'm drying my sheets. I did not even plan to include any other cleaning in this video, but when I got home from work this day, it was Liam's last day being home from Christmas vacation, and the house was a wreck. So I just sent him upstairs and got this living room tidied up. Usually he will help. I'll make him help clean his toys, but today I just wanted to get it done quick. And you know, mamas, sometimes if you want it done right and you want it done quick, you just need to get it done. And I wanted to get it done so I could finish putting this video together for you guys. I just gotta say, is our cat not the sweetest, perched up on the back of the couch looking outside? She gets so excited if she sees a bird or a bunny hop by. Alright guys, we are rolling along here with number 4, and tip number 4 is to make your own carpet cleaner. I did some digging around on Pinterest, found some good ideas, but I just wanted to keep it simple. So I just use about a cup of baking soda, more or less depending on how much carpet you have in your home, and I use a few drops of essential oil. Pick your favorite essential oil. I personally love lemon, so I mix that up and I let it sit for about a half an hour before I sprinkle it on my carpet, and then I'll let it sit maybe 20 more minutes before I vacuum. One thing you do want to do with baking soda is to test a small area of your carpet because it does have a bleaching factor, and you want to make sure that it's not going to bleach your carpet. Like I said, this makes my entire house smell amazing after I vacuum. Hey guys, you see those big pile of stuffed animals in the corner? Let me know what you guys do with your kids' stuffed animals when it's time to say bye-bye or just time for a change. I really need some storage options here. For tip number 5, I'm actually bringing it back to the bathroom here. And that tip is if you have more than one bathroom, get a toilet brush for every bathroom. I think you can pick these up at Dollar Tree for $1. You may be able to get them for less at Walmart, but this is such a lifesaver, especially if I have one in my bathroom and I have company coming over, but I'm downstairs and I need to clean the bathroom really quickly. I can just give it a quick scrub and be done with it. It's also helpful if you're doing an all-day clean. You don't want to be running back and forth from bathroom to bathroom to bathroom to clean everything. My 6th tip, and I've noticed that I'm not the only one who does this, is I've watched tons of cleaning videos on YouTube of some of my favorite YouTubers. They do this as well, and that tip is to load your dishwasher throughout the day. If you have a dishwasher and you keep a sink full of dishes, just throw them in there as you go throughout the day. You can set it to wash at night or set it to wash whenever you'd like, but that helps to keep your sink and countertop free of dishes. It's also a good hack if you have company coming over and you don't plan to wash everything, or there are things that you want to hand wash. You can just put them in there to hide them and then wash them when everyone leaves. Alright mamas, I know you're going to love this 7th and final cleaning tip, and that is to have your husband or kids clean for you. Make them a list and take yourself out shopping or to get a coffee for a couple of hours. I know I like to supervise when I give someone else a task, so I have to remove myself from the situation if I'm not going to do that. Anyone else? That's a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll like and subscribe. I would love to have you. I would also love to connect with you on social media, so please check the description box below to find me. Please also let me know if there are any cleaning tips or hacks that you love. I am always looking to up my cleaning game.